everyone, it's Joy with the Joyful Life, and today we are going to be baking some cookies. The cookies we'll be making are oatmeal chocolate chip dried cranberry chunk cookies, and they are really good, and we're going to be bringing some over to the Texas boys. They're just really good cookies, and I think y'all will enjoy them too, so let's get baking. So here are all the ingredients. As you see, I mix like the sugar, flour, and the oats all in this one bowl because I don't have that many bowls to separate everything and I don't have a lot of space to do it. And I put the cranberries and chocolate chips in there. And then like the salt and baking soda in there. I just mixed it up. And then just let you know, this recipe is double because we have to make a lot because we're bringing some over to the Texas boys and you just gotta have a lot of cookies. So if you want to make less cookies, you can just split this recipe in half. So here are the ingredients. 1 1/3 cup of butter, 1 1/3 cup brown sugar, 4 eggs, 4 cups old-fashioned oats, 3 cups flour, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups dried cranberries, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. It doesn't matter what order you mix your ingredients, just throw them all in. Now that everything's all dumped into this one bowl, you're just going to mix it. You're just going to mix it until everything is just combined together to like a dough. I got a mixture all mixed together. I really want to show y'all how we preheat our oven in an RV, and you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375. Just going to turn on the pilot light to 375. I'll just put in the middle because it says 350 then 450, so I'll just put it kind of right there. And then you got to stick your hand, I gotta light it first. And then you're going to stick your hand way back in there and then like that. And see, there's a little flame in there. And then I'm just going to close it up and that's all. Okay y'all, now that our oven is preheating, we're going to start making some balls. About like this big. Doesn't really matter, however big you want your cookie. And I can only bake about 9 at a time. On this tray I think I can cook about 12. But on the round tray down there I only cook about 9. So let's start making our balls. Now you're going to bake your cookies for 10 to 12 minutes, so I'm just going to set it for 10 minutes. So let's put them in the oven. Okay y'all, it's that easy to make the cookies. It's also a great fall recipe, and if I can cook them in a tiny RV, so can you. Have a blessed day y'all, and I'll see y'all later.